Look no further than the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Get a truck that's equipped to handle every job, whether it's hauling, towing, or creating a connected mobile office on the worksite. The Silverado 2500 HD has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start. Take the high road. Get a truck that has all the power and technology you need and the comfort you deserve. Test drive the Silverado 2500 HD.